Good morning, guys, and today we are back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a DIY wild growth oil, and I'm going to be using carrots, avocados, and extra virgin olive oil. Depending on the quantity and how much you want to make, that depends on how many carrots and avocados you're going to use. I only use 2 carrots and 1 avocado, and right now I'm showing you all of the tools I use. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to take a grater and you're going to grate down the carrot into the pot. Now you want to use the smaller side, because if you use the bigger side, it's going to come into big chunks, and that's not what you want. You want it to just be really small, basically shaved, so that it could be really juicy. When you do it in big chunks, you really don't get that much juice out of it. And you also are going to need a glass bottle. You see the glass bottle back there? I used that glass bottle from like Prego pizza sauce, from like making pizzas, and I just rinsed it out and took the plastic off the outside of the bottle. And you're gonna need that to be able to store your oil. So right now, please excuse my background, I have 2 children here right now. I'm showing you the carrot inside the pot, and you have to use a ripe avocado. I forgot to tell you that. Make sure your avocado is ripe, and it's really ripe, so that it's like easy to come out. It's not hard, it's mushy. And you're gonna scoop it out. We don't need that part. We're gonna put that to the side. Scoop it out and put it inside your pot, and then you're going to be smushing it around and, you know, making it juicy. Then you're gonna pour the oil in, and when I first look how juicy that is. When I first when I first put the pot on, I put the pot on like high, just to get it started so it can start to boil. And because you're not going to be boiling this for a really long time. This is not like 10-15 minutes. This is like 3 to 5 minutes that you're going to be boiling this. It takes no time to do. The longer the wait time is just letting it cool down. So then you're pouring all the oil in. I got a really small bottle, and I got that bottle from the dollar store. You know, you can go use expensive oil if you'd like, but I just chose that. And look at it, it's just simmering, and you just smush it around and smush the avocado up against it, and then you let it cool, but you have to strain it and then put it in the bottle. So right here, I didn't have a strainer, so I just used that. Now, if you have like a really good strainer, it's easier, because then you won't have all that fall out into the pot. But, you know, I still used what I had, and I mean, it's fine. All I'm going to do is just let that cool, and then I'm going to be taking that and then pouring it into my glass bottle. And there you have it. It is that simple, guys. And that's just your wild growth oil. You don't even have to go buy it. Store it in the cabinet. It should last up to 3 months. But depending on what you get or how much you get, it could last up to 6 months. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and then come back and come check me out again. Thank you.